Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a blue dragon. So here you can see that I'm using my cyan pen to draw the blue dragon. I'm starting with its head. Its big mouth is opened. I'm doing the coloring with my cyan pen. Okay, let's draw its leg. Now I'm drawing its hands. Let's draw some stripes. I'm using red pen inside its mouth. I'm using my cyan colored pencil. I'm using my yellow pen to draw fire. Yellow is too light here, so I think I should use orange colored pen. Wow! And I'm using purple pen to draw its wings. I'm using my purple colored pencil inside it. And I'm using my black pen. Finally, I'm using my black pen to draw its nails. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.